What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking in. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for your boy. Hit the notification bell so whenever I update, you'll be the first. You read the title. That's why you're here. You seen the animal print I threw in the beginning, so you know what we talking about. But before we get into that, I want to show y'all this. Yes, sir. Your boy finally hit on a box logo. I mean, y'all know I wear Supreme everything, from the hats to the sneakers with Nike, the coats, the hoodies, the accessories, of course. But I finally got my hands on the Supreme box logo. This one here is the bandana edition. This is the all black one. This is the first one I seen on the site, so I clicked it and rushed out quick. Y'all already know when Supreme get the big stuff like the box logos or the North Face collabs or the Como des Garçons collabs, man, that website shuts down. So again, this is the black version of the Bandana Supreme box logo, season 19, I believe. Here's an up close. But we're not here to talk about that. I really need this question answered. Please in our comment section below, if you rock with your boy and you rocking and you watching this video right now, explain to me how these, I ain't gonna lie, these are pretty, man. Right here is your AIRMAX 90 Safari. You know how ATMOS and AIRMAX get together and they do what they do. These are your animal print Safari joints, Nike AIRMAX 90. Every time these come out, no matter if it's in 10 years, 5 years, 15 years, people go crazy over these sneakers. So I want to know, what's the difference between these and these? Had to give y'all a couple seconds. I really want to know answers. Right here is your Jordan 3 Animal Stink, Animal Pack. A lot of names. But these are super dope. And in my opinion, these will be the sleeper sneakers of the year. Once it's over, I know it's only 2 weeks, but maybe like March, February, we would say we slept on these. Our bad. It's to the point where sneakerheads are shocked when a sneaker doesn't sell out the same day. I could get these. And people feel like if they can get them, that they're bricks. Nah, man. Sometimes people sleep. It's Christmas. Money's tight. Yeezy done came out with 9 pairs in 9 weeks. It's crazy. But we're going to get into this video. Good review. But before we do that, you already know what we do here at Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This part of the video with you, the viewer. Go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. What I got on today, I'm not going to lie, these sneakers are quickly becoming beaters for me. I don't know if it's because it's comfortable, because it's the colorway, but on foot today I got on Adidas, Pharrell, HMUs, the Japanese, Chinese writing joints. Super comfortable, super duper comfortable. These sneakers actually got me thinking about purchasing one of them off-white races because I think they kind of similar in fit and similar in, comfortability. So I'm going to check those out. But again, on foot today, I got on the Pharrell HMUs in that comment section below. Let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. No matter next week, tonight, tomorrow, next year. Let your boy know what you rocking on foot. And without further ado, let's untrap the animals. I seen what I did there, right? No. Let's get into the review. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. So usually when we get a nice box like this with all of Jordan history and nostalgia on it, it's something classy. Also, when you see a price tag of $225 instead of $190, it's something premium. So today, we got premium and classy, yet they being slept on. So you open the lid. First you have your black tissue paper. Then you have your white tissue paper. Here go these bad boys right here. So let's start with the left shoe. Premium, guys. Premium. Spin it all the way around for you guys. Premium. Bam. So you got an all black upper. You see a lot of different type of animals there, but me personally, having a couple of pairs of sneakers with this material, at the end of the day, it's all cow fur.
Happened there, and John Velasquez,
all of it. They just throw designs on you know, this looks like a cheetah print, and then zebra, and maybe another cat, giraffe, I don't know. But at the end of the day, it's all cow fur. They just dye it, design it, and color it how they want to color it. So starting with the toe box, social status 6 is you know, vibes. You got your cow fur all in the toe box, and that goes all the way to the upper. Right here on the toes, you have another cat here. Could be a cheetah, could be a panther, even could be a giraffe, but that's the design there. And real quick, what I find like crazy is like, this is a Jordan 3, and if you know sneakers, Jordan 3 is known for elephant print. So I don't know why they didn't throw the elephant print there. That could have made it a little more doper, but I'm not mad at the cat print there. Around your bottom, it's all gum, and it blends the sneaker in perfect. Perfect. That gum color was like a perfect go-to right there for Jordan brand. Come around the back of the Jordan 3, and that's where your zebra starts, and it comes all the way around to the inside of the sneaker. Right here, got like a caramel gum also, with your regular Jordan Air there. Pull tab. But super dope. Still blends the sneaker in. Let's go back starting at the toe box. You come up, and right here on your tongue, it has like a satin 5 look and feel. The tongue seems to be like satin. And one thing I noticed about this tongue on the Jordan 3 is definitely smaller than a regular Jordan 3. Like, this is a small tongue. Usually the tongue on the Jordan 3 stands up a little more like that, but this one fades back a little. But it's all satin with a red Jordan man there. And on the back of the tongue, it reads Instinct. Of course, these are the Jordan 3 Animal Instincts. Regular shoe tree. And your inside, it's all red. There you go, man. Jordan 3. Now, I know that, like, I'm like really getting on the people that slept on the sneaker. No, that's not what I'm doing. If you like it, you buy it. That's what I tell guys all the time. I brought these from Nike on the sneakers website, sneakers app. As soon as they came out, I hit buy, 2-day shipping. I got them in 2 days. I know the video's a little late, but it's Christmas time. And I brought them because I like them. So if you like a sneaker, buy a sneaker. Now, I know I'm calling them the sleeper pick of the year. That's my opinion. But I can understand why some slept. And first of all, you already know why we sleep on the Jordan 3 sometimes. And the answer is always, bam. The answer is always going to be Nike Air on the back. This has the regular Jordan Airman on the back. We love the Nike Air on the back, Jordan. That's what makes a sneaker feel retro. Again, I'm fighting for both sides. They couldn't put Nike Air on this back because this is not a retro shoe. It's new. It's futuristic. So that's why the Nike ain't there. But people who didn't cop because there's no Nike Air on the back right here, I get you. Second, I know another reason why y'all slept. And this is the reason. When this sneaker comes out right here, the Nike AIRMAX 90, it's a collab with ATMOS. It's not just a Nike thing. It's not just an AIRMAX thing. It's a whole collab with ATMOS. As for these, Jordan decided to stand alone. Jordan could have easily went to ATMOS yo, let's get together, do the Jordan 3 Animal. It would have made a bigger thing for the sneaker. More collaborations mean more people want it. You know, this side and this side gets together, so now both customers wants the shoe. So Jordan could have went and got ATMOS and definitely would have put more hype around this shoe. So that was the second reason. So man, I definitely get you if you feel like, you know, Jordan halved us and just did it alone. Didn't call Tinker, didn't call ATMOS, didn't call anybody, just decided to go about the sneaker itself. I get that. Actually, not to get off course, but it's a sneaker coming out next week, and I was real hyped when I first saw pictures of this sneaker. I just seen it in the store last week. I got a chance to buy it early, and I didn't buy it because when I seen it in the store, it didn't add up to what I thought. And then thinking about the collab stuff again. Matter of fact, let me pull out the sneaker I'm telling y'all about.
A few moments later.
Okay, we back. Now, as I was saying, has Jordan Brand been like cheating us with the collab as far as the Safari 3s? What I'm talking about is the Jordan 6. What I'm talking about is the Jordan 6 Denim. I think that's what they call them, or jean. As we know, every time Jordan puts a jean on a sneaker, it's usually collab with Levi, as you can see here. Right here is your Jordan 4 Levi black. I had the blue ones. I sold them early, man. But right here is the black ones, and Levi make these tough, man. Got wax denim. You got wax shoestrings. The denim all super dope. Real jean material, as we know from Levi. And with the Jordan 6 denims that's coming out next week, it doesn't have none of this quality. None of it. I seen it in hand. I'm telling y'all, I seen it in hand. I didn't buy it, and I could have got it for retail last week. I may still buy the sneaker just for review purposes, but I feel like Jordan halved us. Why would you put out a jean sneaker and not include Levi? In that comment section below, let me know how y'all feel about that, man. It's just my personal opinion, and that's another reason why I think the Jordan 3 Animal Instinct really ain't as popular. But let's get back to it. Yeah, but to get a little more depth in the shoe, I'm sorry, I know I'm everywhere, guys. These eyelids are super dope, man. Like, the eyelids have that translucent, I want to say gum. We could say gum color all through it. So still a design blends in perfect with it. Up here is another cat. I really don't know which cat. You know, these animals are wild. The bottom of the eyelids have your red color through it. Also makes the sneaker pop. Regular shoestrings, regular black. Similar to your it's regular Jordan 3 shoestrings. Nothing crazy. Do I wish they would have gave us some more colors to play with? Yeah, I think they should have added a gum color shoestring and a red one, especially for the $225 price tag. And that right there is the last reason why I feel like people slept on this sneaker. When you used to seeing 190, 190, 190, and then you see 225 and there's no hype around the shoe, that will make you think twice. But as of taping, I think only size 10 or 13 is left on the sneakers app. No other sneaker stores really got this sneaker. Only the overseas, the sneakers and stuff, the JD Sports, the Cali Roots, you know, all them joints overseas. So I don't want to hold y'all longer. Again, on foot today, I got on my new beaters, the Pharrell HMUs. Not beaters because, you know, they're messed up shoes or they're cheap shoes. Beaters because they're comfortable. In that comment section below, let me know what you're rocking on foot. Again, next week, Jordan 6 denims drop. If you like them, buy them. Do not go by my opinion. I'm just telling you, in hand, they don't look like a Levi to me. In hand, these can pass for an ATMOS animal. Trust me. If you like it, you buy it, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.
Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks.